let's see how we can differentiate 1 over the cube root of x squared minus 1. And before you jump into the quotient rule, let me show you. Because we only have a 1 on the top, we can actually just change this into a power form and then use the power rule and also the chain rule for this. Right? Check this out. Firstly, we see that the cube root is the same as 1/3 power. So we can rewrite that as 1 over parentheses with 1/3 power here, and then with x squared minus 1 inside. And the beauty is this, right? We have only a 1 on the top. We can put this up and then make that power negative. That's all. So this is really the same as parentheses with x squared minus 1 inside, and then raised to the negative 1/3 power. And then we can just look at this as the inside function, and then the outside function is to the negative 1/3 power. So that's the idea. Okay, so let me just do the work right here for you guys. So the outside function, I will just write it down like this. So we have a box raised to the negative 1/3. And then the inside is this, which is just x squared minus 1. Differentiating this, we can just use the power rule, bring the power to the front, minus 1. So the outside function will give you the derivative, negative 1/3, and then we will have a box. And then negative 1/3 minus 1 is negative 4/3. Alright? And then we differentiate this, we get just 2x. Pretty good. And of course, here's the thing. We put this inside of the box and we multiply, and that will be the answer. So I think this is okay. Even though you have negative 4/3 power, you can also bring that down. Perhaps let's write it down right here first. F prime of x, right? For the whole thing, we have negative 1/3, and then we have, don't use a box, use a parentheses, and then we have the x squared minus 1 inside, raised to the negative 4/3 power, and then we also have to multiply by the 2x. Right, so this is the construction for the derivative with the box. And here we have the negative exponent, so we can bring this down to the denominator, and then of course we can put this on the top. So all in all, we have negative, and then let's put down the 2x here, over, here we have this 3, and then parentheses with this inside, x squared minus 1, bring that down, so we get a positive 4/3 power. And if you want to write the third power as the cube root, that's fine, but I will box it right here. And if you prefer, you can, as I said, you can write this as negative, or just put down this right here for you, or you can write it as negative 2x over 3, and then the over 3 power, I will change that to the cube root. And then you can put the fourth power on the outside or the inside. Usually the inside looks better, so we will write it like this, parentheses, and then we have the x squared minus 1 like this, and then we have the fourth power right here. Yeah, but if you leave the answer like this is totally okay. Or if you would like, maybe do it like that, one way or the other. That's it.